kaso laban sa kanya, sisiguraduhin na naintindihan niya yung kaso niya at anong mga karapatan niya. Yun lamang. Now, may mga dahilan kami, pero susubukan namin ipaliban itong kauna-unahang pagdinig nito. Pero itong dahilan namin ay pribadong ipararating sa mga maestrado. Sa ngayon, ay iisa pa lang ang na-recognize na lawyer, si Attorney Medialdea, no, dahil siya ngayong kasama. Pero we have filled up all the documents para mapasama din ako dun sa team of counsels. No? Now, I'm in the list counsel of the ICC, and we have also retained another member of the list counsel who is British. So initially, there will be 3 of us standing as counsels. The other one is Hoffman, Attorney Hoffman of the British Bar. So 2 of us from the list counsel and Attorney Medialdea. The Vice President, of course, is here as a member of the faculty, and she will be in the gallery, to witness the first hearing. So hindi ko po alam kung mapagbibigyan yung hinihiling namin na ipagpaliban, pero wala naman akong dahilan para naisip para hindi mapagbigyan yan kasi wala namang pupuntahan si Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte, kaya na siya sa kulungan dito sa Pilipinas. So ipagpaliban nyo na ngayon kasi hindi pa namin nakikita ang dating Presidente. Buong araw, kahapon, hindi siya nakita dahil di umano siya ay binigyan ng medical examination. So ngayon pa lang, ang problema dito sa ICC ay daming papel bago mo makita. So we have just submitted the form to visit him para hindi naman kauna-unang beses makikita sila ni Vice President dito sa hukuman. Ako, I feel strongly that before the hearing, not only I should be able to have access to him as a member of the list counsel of the court, but the family should have access to him. So actually, ang priority ko is to make sure magkita muna silang mag-ama. Dahil hindi pa alam ni Presidente na nandito si Vice President. It's not proper naman na hindi alam ng ama na nandito yung anak niya. So I'm more or less attending on this first day of hearing, a family matter, and I want them to see each other outside of the court first so they can have a private.
Attorney, what do you call the postponement? Is there a legal term for that?
Wala naman, it's the same. Alam mo yun, the procedure is similar to Philippine procedure. Ang difference lang is before it arraignment and before it goes to proper trial, meron tinatawag na confirmation of charges. And in the confirmation of charges, they will establish that there really is probable cause and that there really is jurisdiction. But I do not know if I can be registered in time for the hearing today, but in addition to the postponement, if I am recognized today, and I'm not sure yet, because we just did all the papers today, I will also bring the issue of the illegality of the arrest of the former president. That should lead to the court losing its jurisdiction. And I would be citing a case law from the Constitutional Court of South Africa that an illegal arrest is sufficient to divest the court of jurisdiction. This is right wrong by the Commission. In addition to the lack of jurisdiction, because we had withdrawn from our membership, and of course the preliminary